In this competitive world, where students who couldn't score high marks in their higher secondary school could not dream of going to good colleges, their dreams of doing something in life seems to fade away. But this cannot stop the spirit of the Alumni Association of St. Anthony's College, who came up with good solution to make dreams come true for those who are resolute and determined enough. The St. Anthony's College Alumni Association, with the motto, "Making a Difference," give these resolute minds, young and old, and those who are ready to learn, a second chance to prove to the world that they too can make a difference in the society. They too can work wonders when given a chance.
Hello, greetings from St. Anthony's College, Shillong. Just to share with you the idea of the evening college that we have been running since 2014. It was with the idea of catering to students who are economically deserving and have not been able to continue their higher studies, higher education after their class 12. That the college came up with this idea to look and cater into this needy section of our youth. We have two courses, one in arts and the other in commerce, for students who are economically weak and have secured, let's say, a much lower percentage in their class 12, to give them an edge for employability, skill, and also higher education. This course started in 2014, has already seen 4 batches of successful graduates passing out, some of them even scoring very high marks, and also with the skill learned, they have found themselves employable in the market. And looking at their entry and exit, we find a strong and a clear transformation of the personality and confidence. I think that is the Salesian Don Bosco way of education, making them good citizens and God-fearing people. And this entire venture is supported and funded by the alumni of the college, where students pay a minimal fee and which can be carried on to the second year, third year, and as they pass out, if conditions of good attendance and academic performance are positively met. We always remember the alumni of this college, keeping to the motto of the Alumni Association, making a difference, and that is what the Andonian family has achieved, and we hope to continue. Just to like to make this course available, the selection of these candidates into this course is through a strict and a long process, because we want to ensure that the ones we select, the ones who get this privilege, are really the most deserving, satisfying the two conditions of economically deserving, poor, and also who scored a lower mark. And most of them who have entered into this, they have successfully completed. And as we said, we have in arts, we offer honors in philosophy and honors in Kasi, and in commerce we have an honors in management. And most of them we find, I think that is the greatest satisfaction, that the young, the youth, mostly the poor, who have lost a chance and who thought that nothing more is possible in education, but they walk into St. Anthony's with this dream once again lit and giving them hope of education. I think they have done well. And there is a group of dedicated teachers who have themselves come forward to take classes and give them a little more attention than, let's say, the others, because this is a special group that needs personal care, personal attention, and a little more of direction in learning is learning a technology somewhere, maybe something technical studies, and they come back in the evening to do this course. Once again, we like to remember the alumni who support and fund and come and take so much pain in giving this true to their motto, making a difference. And we as an Anthonian family, we feel proud that we are able to reach out to the needy in the spirit of Don Bosco, giving our vision and our mission of this college, providing education within the reach of all. May God bless you evermore, better ever.
Và duna ka yo kot kham tam gitu ba le bakim ba ka percentage ni ki ro ka duna apa plus 12 results te yakani ka evening college ni sedang au snem araja ka sau ha ka bang isyam ba apa ki khna ki ban thap isyam ba ki bun ini khna ki bawan ki yang baduk busuk ru ki ba dale bhai ka plus 12 result ki ba koi ki thap division into tingi siamba yakiru ni de ban ai kalan kalimti yaki pekin di opuli ti nizang yakani ka BA ka BCom hakaba ka BA ni offer honors ka khasi ka philosophy but BCom ni ai ka honors ka management yakani ka course ni yok support na ka alumni hakaba ki ai ke jing siu jing dia ru limba ka alumni yaki main kai but yaka fees ba kiti ban siu khna kalong ka ba rate pani ki ni ki regular courses te ni shem ka ni ka course kala yarap hai ki ha ka ba or ki dang zdang ban join ni ki batch bala pass kilong ba khna ki yo ka jingkemen ba ki yo ban puli biang but na kini khna ki ba la pass mchwa kidon ru gibal atri hakaba ki data ma ki ba ai jing rap ya ke yeng ba penyai ke yeng tingi shamba ki yo la ban puli biang ki snow kemen ne jo poru ni shamba hawa ki attend kini ki classes ini shamba ki kena ki tristom ha hadu ba poru ki yali ka university exam ru ni shamba ki akish khaman and hajo poru ki siamba ki ongba ni yo ga chung toy kwa yarap ha haju ko por nomor ba kani ka class ka stang nadu channi adu nyo buji te men sni shit persang ban ajeng jengkermen ki ban kin ya join kini ni course ki ba ai skills ki kumba nongi fi kum ki skills kum kalain carpentry baking ngai mechanic hakaba kila ban dei apo dom school technical school kila ban apply into hakana hatkar komba kila ban yang la kichan haba kila mi na college haba ki pass na college ki yang na kichan ki yo om tanga degree en ki yo skills ni si persang ba ngin ajeng min semi ki ajeng kermen ki ban kin ya lomta hojo poru hapo ki classes ki attend ru ngim kai tang ki ba dei ban ba dei nam ta course ba ka dei BA khasi ne ba BA philosophy ne BCom ni aru kini ki skills ki dong kam ni sikhot ki soft skills communication skills value education na ba kan yarap ki bikin nong kita gibril ki bla menyang haka kechat lojong bat ki lam long kita gibril ki ba ki perthai ka society kalaban pejaki ki hakaba ki laban contribute sibun ya ka jing he jing man ban jing roi jing pa jong ka snong ka thau hakanono ki khap ba ki laban ai te ka moto jong ka alumni association hakaba ka one rai gani ka evening section ka evening college na ni hot they make a difference hakaba ngila ban ai kata ka jing kala ay kini no gibarang kaman yaram khamtam kini ki ba wan gi yeng ki ba ka kot ka emru kimda la mat ka puli thir kimda lebha ni aila le kani dingba kani evening college ba kin dong ba kin yo la ban kin puli and ki don ru ki ba bala arang ba ru bala wan shwa la join the course ni adien ki yo chimon toy hadu ba ki la ban pendam ti tang ni ai fikis french panga evening college na.
Now let us hear the success story of one of the students who has cleared the exam successfully. Genia Darling.
Well, talking about the experience I've had in evening college, it was something which I would cherish it for the rest of my life. I am thankful to the Alumni Association of the college for coming up with such program to help people like me. I am a mother of a child and stopped with my studies a long time ago. But one day I saw this advertisement on the evening college and I made up my mind that yes, I should go give it a try. And if God is there with me, I would get the admission. And yes, I got the admission. But the day came when I had to attend the first day of class. I was hesitating because I have that feeling that I am way older to any other students who would be enrolled with me. How would I face them or how would I mingle them? But to my surprise, I was welcomed with them lovingly. And after knowing the fact that I'm a mother of a child, they never treated me differently. They treated me the same way. And my friends became my family. I felt like I relived a moment being a teenager again. And that was all because of my friends, my classmates. Now talking about the teachers were really the pillars of my success. Teachers in evening college does not come to college just to teach you what the syllabus gives you, but they are there to make studies interesting, to make it more easier to understand. And for me, having a gap of 7 years in study, it was quite difficult for me to pick up of what the syllabus is, because being away from books, staying away from books and staying away from writing, it was quite difficult for me to adapt to the situation. But the teachers were always there. They always stood beside me. They helped me in every problem, anything which I did not understand, the syllabus or the chapters. They were there to explain it to me all over again. And they encouraged me that I should come forward, participate in programs and be bold enough to face all the challenges which comes your way. And so this is how I relived a moment. The experience I have had will always be cherished for the rest of my life. And yeah, I'm thankful to the principal, to the vice principal, to my beloved teachers, my classmates, and not to forget the Alumni Association who came up with such program to help people like me, to help people who are in need of education and due to financial problems they could not move forward with their studies. And also at the beginning, when I paid the college fees, due to my good performance and due to the good marks which I got, that fees was credited to the other year, and that followed even to the third year. And at the end, I even got the scholarship back. And today, at present, what I am is all because of the evening college. I miss college. I really miss college. I miss those 3 years which I've spent in college. I wish I could relive back that moment again. So I am proud to be an Anthonian, because once an Anthonian is always an Anthonian. Evermore, better ever.